action.
Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today I wanted to bring you guys out to the water to check out the all-new 2024 Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport. So as you can see, it's in the classic white Whaler hull, but we do have some black graphics on it to kind of mix things up. This is a phenomenal boat all the way bow to stern. This is their hose and go model, so pretty much everything you need, nothing you don't on this boat. So we do have really plentiful storage for being a 13-foot boat, where you can keep all your anchor, even throwable cushion and safety items at right up here. The nice thing is you do actually have a cleat over here to the bow, so that way you can tie this boat up really easily. Then you'll notice that we do have the windshield that is included on the console here, and you also do have a lockable compartment in this console. Makes it really easy to put all your belongings in here if you're going to happen to stop at a restaurant or go in to get some fuel. Great spot to use that. Then you do have an RPM gauge here on your dash with the stainless steel steering wheel, so huge additive right there. You do have cup holders throughout, even here on your bench seating, so super convenient for an easy little outing. And you'll also notice that we do have the sun top with bimini. So this is gonna be super nice to be able to fold that out, keep yourself under the shade, and as you notice, those clips go all the way forward here, so you can tell how much of the boat is actually gonna be covered. And then where the party's at, all the way back in the stern, we got a Mercury 40 horsepower motor, and on this 13 Super Sport, it makes this thing so much fun on the water. And not to mention, Mercury with their extremely quiet motors, you can't beat this. So anyways, guys, if this is a boat you'd like to hear more information about or even schedule a demo, just let us know. Thank you guys for watching.